Good morning, everyone. Today we will learn how to use some important words. So, to, either, neither, if, even if though, although, and even though.
That sounds interesting.
Great, let's start with to and either. We use to in positive sentences. For example, I like tea.
I like tea too.
I like tea too.
Excellent!
Good. Now, for negative sentences, we use either. For example, I don't like coffee.
I don't like coffee either.
Now let's look at so and neither.
Okay, how do they work?
We use so to agree with a positive sentence.
So do I.
Exactly. Very good.
Thanks.
I am tired.
So am I.
How are you feeling today?
I am happy. So am I.
Excellent. Now for negative agreement, we use
Neither.
I am not hungry.
Neither am I.
I am not ready.
Neither am I.
Now let's move to if. We use if to talk about a condition. If it rains, we will stay inside.
If I finish my homework, I will watch TV.
Perfect. Next is even if. This means something will happen no matter what. For example, I will go to school even if it rains.
I will come to class even if I feel tired.
Good effort. Now let's talk about though, although, and even though.
They all show contrast.
Here's a surprising result. Although it is raining, we are playing outside.
Though I was tired, I finished my work.
Very nice. Now, even though is stronger. Example, even though he was sick, he came to class.
Even though I was nervous, I spoke in English.
That's wonderful. I'm so proud of you. Let's practice together.
Okay,
I like English.
I like English.
Very good.
I like English too.
So do I.
I don't like homework.
I don't like homework either. Neither do I.
If you study every day, you will improve.
I will study even if I feel busy. Although it is difficult, I will try.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Even though I make mistakes, I will keep speaking.
That's the spirit. Keep practicing. That's the spirit. Remember, use to or either for simple agreement, and so or neither for short responses. Use if and even if for conditions, and though, although, or even though for contrasts. Okay, any questions?
No, thank you.
Great job, everyone. Keep practicing. Please subscribe, like, and share. English with Kakali. Thank you for staying with us.